All right, fire up this old Forney welder. It's Forney with an F. See, right there. Well, I can see now what's going on. This left side is not. It's leaving a lot of manure behind. Definitely got some work to do on here. This is what it should be looking like. The other half is nothing even close to that. This is going to be a crappy job. Literally. Alright, let's get a skid loader, load that thing up, clean it off a little bit, and get to work on it. Further inspection, we're missing some bolts here. Squeegee is completely wore out here. I'm gonna have to do a little welding. We'll get it fixed up. It's not being held on by anything. It's just walking around. Alright, I need to add a little steel right through here. This should be going like that, so you can see how much you need to add through here. So, need to weld some steel on here. Alright, fire up this old Forney welder. It's Forney with an F. See? Right there. Alright, we got that welded up. Now I'm going to need to cut the torch here. You know, cuts this, comes straight up and back down. So we'll do that next. That's pretty good. Just got to do that on the other side now. we got the new squeegee on. We just need to replace the skid shoe. Gonna be good to go. So, almost there. There's a lot easier way to do this. There we go. We got a new squeegee. Replace the bolts, springs, the rubber. This looks nice. This is gonna work well. Job. Much better than what it was before. Well, we'll check on this thing in the morning and see how it's doing. See if it gets all caught up. We got the scraper running here. You see, it's finally caught up. It's looking great. Amazing what a new squeegee will do. To keep this floor clean. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next video.